Vandag is Dinsdag en ons kyk na julle spelwoorde. Wat is 'n pan in Engels? Wat is 'n mes in Engels? Wat is 'n vurk in Engels? Wat is 'n bord in Engels? Kom ons kyk na julle antwoord. Pan is 'n pan, mes is a knife, vurk is a fork en bord is a plate. Wat is 'n beker in Engels? Wat is 'n deksel in Engels? Wat is 'n glas in Engels? En wat is 'n bak in Engels? 'n beker is a cup, 'n deksel is a lid, 'n glas is glass en 'n bak is a bowl. Volgende. Wat is 'n eetlepel in Engels? Wat is 'n teelepel in Engels? Wat is 'n piering in Engels? Wat is 'n kombuisblad in Engels? 'n eetlepel is a tablespoon, 'n teelepel is a teaspoon, 'n piering is a saucer en 'n kombuisblad is a kitchen counter. Wat is 'n yskas in Engels? Wat is 'n mikrogolf in Engels? En wat is 'n beker in Engels? Wat is 'n bord in Engels? 'n yskas is a fridge, mikrogolf is a microwave, beker is a cup en bord is a plate. Wat is 'n rasper in Engels? Wat is 'n vaardoek in Engels? Wat is 'n deksel in Engels? En wat is 'n yskas in Engels? 'n rasper is 'n grater. 'n vaardoek is 'n dishcloth. 'n deksel is 'n lid. En yskas is 'n fridge. Hoe het jy gedoen? Was dit maklik of moeilik? Kom ons probeer die volgende. What is a pan in Afrikaans? What is a knife in Afrikaans? What is a fork in Afrikaans? What is a plate in Afrikaans? Let's see your answers. Pan is a pan, knife is a mes, fork is a vork, and plate is a bord. What is a cup in Afrikaans? What is a lid in Afrikaans? What is a glass in Afrikaans? And what is a bowl in Afrikaans? Let's see your answers. Cup is a beker, lid is a deksel, glass is a glas, and bowl is a bak. Wat is a tablespoon in Afrikaans? What is a teaspoon in Afrikaans? What is a saucer? And what is a kitchen counter? Let's see your answers. A tablespoon is a eetlepel. A teaspoon is a teelepel. Saucer, piering. Kitchen counter, kombuisblad. What is a fridge in Afrikaans? What is a microwave in Afrikaans? A cup? And a plate. A fridge is a yskas. A microwave is a microgolf. A cup is a beker. And a plate is a bord. What is a grater in Afrikaans? What is a dishcloth in Afrikaans? What is a lid in Afrikaans? And what is a fridge in Afrikaans? A grater is a rasper, dishcloth, vaardoek, lid, deksel,